Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder, the channel where we explore the latest AI tools that makes your work faster. Today, I'm going to show you how to create original, production-ready visuals using Freepik. Not just AI-generated images, but a real design workflow from start to finish. In this video, we won't just look at the final result. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can understand how everything is built and replicate it yourself. If you're a designer, content creator or marketer working with AI tools, Freepik is a powerful platform that helps you go beyond basic image generation. It allows you to create, edit, and refine visuals using a structured workflow, all in one place. This is the real batching engine inside Freepik, and almost nobody is using it properly. Most people use AI tools one prompt at a time. What I'm about to show you is how to scale creatives without losing consistency, using lists as a bulk engine inside a real workflow canvas. Why this matters? Let me show you the problem first. If you're creating ads, social posts, or visuals for clients, you usually repeat the same steps again and again. Change text, change visuals, re-export, repeat. That's slow. That doesn't scale. A real workflow should generate multiple consistent outputs in one run. Lists as the bulk engine. Inside Freepik, lists are the bulk engine of a workflow. Instead of repeating prompts manually, lists allow you to batch inputs, text, images, even video references, and run them through the same pipeline. One setup, many outputs, same quality, same structure. Workflow overview. Here's what we're building in this demo. We'll start with a single base prompt. Then we'll plug in lists to batch text and visual variations. We'll run the workflow once and generate multiple outputs. And finally, I'll show you why this beats manual repetition every time. Image generation. Prompt. A clean, modern product advertisement image, shot in studio lighting. Minimal and professional commercial style. High resolution. Realistic details. Centered composition. This is my base prompt. Notice I'm not describing products, colors, or messaging here. This prompt defines the visual system, not the variations. After writing prompt, click Generate. As you can see, an image is generated with a single prompt. Lists. Let's start with our first list. This list defines the product type. Prompt. Coffee cup, perfume bottle, skincare cream jar. Now this is where the workflow gets really powerful. Instead of writing the same prompt again and again, we can group variations into structured lists and let the system do the heavy lifting. As you can see, a list is created with a single click. No extra prompts, no repetition. One workflow, multiple products. Every time the workflow runs, Freepik automatically swaps the product, while keeping the same layout, lighting, and camera framing. This is perfect for catalogs, brand showcases, or e-commerce visuals. Text variations. Now let's add another list, this time for text. Inside the assistant node, simply type, crafted for everyday moments. Luxury you can feel. Designed for modern living. Each output gets different text automatically. A lot of lines are now added in my list. You can clearly see how easily you can add lists in this workflow without breaking anything. Same product, same composition. But now, different messaging for different use cases. Perfect for ads, landing pages, and social media variations. Background mood. Now let's control the emotional tone of the image. In this case, we'll give the following prompt. Soft beige minimal background. Dark premium background. Bright white studio background. You can generate lists inside one assistant, exactly like I've created here using prompts. Same layout. Same lighting. Different emotional tone. The result looks clean, professional, and brand ready, without touching the main prompt even once. Before lists, you rewrite prompts, you regenerate, you repeat. After lists, one workflow run multiple consistent outputs. Workflow run. Now I'll run the workflow. This is the key moment, because up till now, we were just setting things up. What happens next defines the difference between basic AI generation and a real production workflow. Click on Run Processing Indicator Starts. We're not getting one image. We're getting a batch of outputs, all generated through the same pipeline, same rules, same structure. No randomness. This is exactly what lists unlock. Instead of treating every image like a separate task, we treat them as variations of the same system. Output breakdown. Let's break this down. Each output follows the same system, same composition, same lighting, same quality, different inputs. Nothing is drifting. Nothing is breaking. This is what makes it usable for ads, campaigns, and content at scale. You're not fixing alignment. You're not correcting lighting. You're not reprompting. You're just selecting the best variation. This is what makes Freepik AI tools feel production ready. Not just generating images, but generating systems that scale. Optional nodes. And this doesn't stop here. You can extend this workflow even further. Add an upscaling node for final delivery. Perfect for high-resolution ads, banners, or print assets. Or plug these outputs directly into video workflows for motion creatives. Static to motion without rebuilding anything. The point is, lists don't just generate images, they power entire pipelines. Real use case. This is how real teams scale creatives. One brand system. Multiple variations. Zero inconsistency. Designers stay consistent. Marketers get options. And production stays fast. Why you don't see this everywhere? Most tutorials stop at generation. They don't show workflows. They don't show batching. This is real batching inside a workflow canvas. And I genuinely haven't seen this explained properly anywhere else. Outro. Everything you saw was built using Freepik. If you want to scale creatives without losing consistency, this workflow approach is the difference. You'll find the Freepik link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.